Be right back.
Imagine earning $1,000 on Taka Live and you losing it in seconds just for leaving the frame so as to answer the door. Today, we are decoding the official host rulebook so that such a thing never happens to you. Let's take a dive. So, number one rule is called the duty focus. All the hosts on Taka Live are expected to take live streaming so seriously. Here are a few things that are not allowed when you are streaming live. Number one, drinking. Number two, smoking. And number three, sleeping when you're streaming. Let's move on to the second category of rules. That is continuous on-screen presence. You're expected to be within the streaming frame on Taka Live. If you happen to be off hook, you just leave the frame so as to go and answer the door, so as to go and grab a cup of water. Taka Live will definitely ban you for real. Number two, continuous on-screen presence. No matter what happens, you're never expected to leave the live stream. Leaving the phone alone. Here are the things that are not expected of you. Black screens or blank frames are not allowed on Taka Live. Taka Live treats this so seriously. If you happen to leave the stream, you will be banned for good. Rule number three, real person streaming. You're not expected to use anything, any architect, be it a doll, using a photo or mannequins. The moment they realize it's not you, the real person who's streaming, you will definitely be banned. Rule number four. This has to do with content compliance. When you're streaming, what is it that you're doing? Are you dancing? Are you singing? Those are some of the things that are expected of you. But what is not expected of you when you're streaming live? Okay? Here are a few things that will cause you to be banned on Taka Live. Touching specific private parts. And number two, exposing sexual organs. Then number three, displaying any seductive actions that will actually get you banned on Taka Live. Then rule number five, platform policy violations. Now here's the thing, simultaneous streaming on two different apps is prohibited on Taka Live. You could be streaming on Taka Live and then you're streaming on Nikki Live or Popo Live. That is prohibited. The moment they notice that you're streaming on two different apps simultaneously, you get banned. Then number two, streaming on two different Taka Lives simultaneously. That will get you banned. Then rule number six, you the person who's streaming, you must be at least 18 years or older. Then you must maintain the profile quality and the streaming standards.